y'all. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is my first manicure for Breast Cancer Awareness Tag. I hope you watched my first video announcing and explaining what I'm doing. This is for Mrs. Cronalls in the UK. She was diagnosed with breast cancer. This is my support, my way of bringing awareness to help bring the awareness to breast cancer. I am going to be doing one Manny a month for the next year, starting February 2019, and will end in February-ish 2020. Oh my goodness. Can't believe we can say that already. On my hands already. I just started, wasn't filming, totally forgot, just got into it. So I've got my, let me back up. I'm more unorganized. I've got my base coat that my niece found me, first in line by Sinful. On top of that, my first pink that I am using, and I swear this is pink, it's just a super light pink. I love this. It's by Lady V Lacquer, Executive Suite. 2 coats of this on. I'm now going to do my cleanup. I hate to do that on camera with you and forgot to, I forgot to paint my nails with you. I'm just flabbergasted that I forgot. Totally flabbergasted, but I don't know. I forgot. I got into starting things out last night and I just forgot to film it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I forgot. Yeah, the camera and everything all set up and ready, and I forgot to start filming. So there's that. I'm going to take my Broadway top coat. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I have to shut that phone off. I'm taking some of my little gems here. I'm taking this darker pink, this one right here, and I'm going to make the breast cancer awareness ribbon on my ring finger. At least that's my plan. I've never really, fiddled with these too much. Ouch. But this is my plan. I do have my picker-upper here. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to do the best that I can. I've never done this before. So wish me luck. Oh, let's turn the TV down. Let's turn the TV down. Very sorry. But I'm going to put a top coat of a very thin top coat. Thin layer of Broadway to hold the stones down, I guess you could say. Or maybe a normal coat, I don't know. I'm a little nervous about this, so bear with me. I want to get some of these out here already, so that they are flipped over and I ain't gotta fiddle with them inside of the container. I don't know how many it's gonna take. My voice sounds a little deep this morning. I do hope this turns out really well. I want them for Catherine, Mrs. Cronalls. I want to make these manicures beautiful as much as I possibly can. And, okay, where am I going with this? don't know how well this is going to turn out. Hopefully a lot better than I pictured. Does that look like the breast cancer? Whoops, I hurt my arm. Does it look like the breast cancer ribbon to you? What do you think? I'm now going to take my... I hope this looks like the breast cancer ribbon. That's the best I can do. I've never, like I said, never really fiddled with these things before. I'm going to take my glossy top coat made by Sweet and Sour Lacquer. This was a gift from my friend Brenda. Gloss Sauce Quick Dry Top Coat. I really like this a lot. I'm really hooked on such feet, but I am out of it. She blessed me with this and many other gifts, which I greatly appreciate. I was told by Princess Diana not to go over the stones with the top coat, so I'm trying not to. So there. Me sealing the rest of my mani with my other fingers. I did not put this on yet. Cap your ends, ladies. Find your own way in your neighborhood, in your area, to bring awareness to breast cancer. You could do a relay for life. You could do they do have here in southeastern Michigan, I know in October, I think it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And in Detroit, they have a 5K, I think. I know it's a walk that they have. I do in June every year a Relay for Life for cancer awareness. It's not any singled out, it's multiple types of cancer. I've been doing that for like, oh goodness, 9-10 years. I started out walking for my friend Frank. I went from there to my Aunt Marty in California. I walked for my friend Faye Massey, who lost her life to liver cancer last year. April will be a year for her that she lost her life. That saddens me really big time. I really liked her. She was like my bestest friend's mother. It's a guy friend, but I've known him all my life. I really truly loved his mother. She was a great woman. So through the years I've added on other people. There's a woman here off of Instagram that I walk for. And did I forget my thumb? I forgot my thumb. But find your own way in your neck of the woods to bring awareness to breast cancer. You could jump on this bandwagon. Use the hashtag breastcancerawarennesstag in your title, in your description, in your tags, in your mani. Something that's going to show awareness, bring awareness to breast cancer. Hope you can see it. See that? I think it turned out really cute. Did the best I could. Should have made this part here a little bit bigger. Should have spread those two out. Wonder if I still can. Whoops. Yeah, we shouldn't touch that right now. We'll make the polish wrinkle. So that's my mani today. My first one, February 2019. For Breast Cancer Awareness Tag. I hope you all have enjoyed this. Sorry about the wobble. I don't know what happened with that. Sorry, I needed a drink. Being a diabetic really sucks. But please, support breast cancer. Jump on this bandwagon with me and with Moon Baby Nails. Show support for Mrs. Cronalls. She seems like a very, very beautiful woman. She's got her own channel. You will find a copy to her channel in the description box below. So yeah, we are at the end of video 1 of my year-long series of breast cancer awareness. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions for other, I have all my colors picked out, which that video was released yesterday. Well, at midnight yesterday. With all the colors I'm going to use. I haven't figured out all my designs yet, just my colors. So, if you got any ideas, let me know for breast cancer awareness. Have a blessed day. Thank you.